Okay, problem number 4. We got a curve. It's given us a derivative of kx squared minus 6 over x to the third. They tell us k is a number, and the curve passes through this point 1, 6. They also give us a slope when p is happening, 1, 6, and that's going to be 9. All right, so what are we going to do here? So we have derivatives. You can take a derivative and you can find a slope if I plug in an x. And sometimes if they give me a slope, I can work it backwards and I can find the x. But in this case, I have both the x and the slope. Well, the reason for that is because I don't know what k is. And so if I take the derivative and plug in the slope and x, the only thing I won't know is k, and I can get k by itself. So let's go ahead and do that. Replace that with a 9. Replace all the x's with a 1. That should be pretty easy. Now I'm looking at k minus 6. And so I'm just going to add 6 to both sides. K is going to actually equal 15. So now that I know what k is, I can put it back into my equation. I can fit, or actually my derivative. So let's rewrite a derivative. It was kx squared minus 6 over x to the third, but now I can make it 15x squared, and I can go ahead and bring this x up, make it a negative exponent, and now I can find my indefinite integral. I'm going to bring the 15, and then I'm going to raise the power up by 1, and then multiply by the reciprocal. I'm going to do this again. I got negative 6. I'm going to raise the power from negative 3 to negative 2, then multiply by the reciprocal, which is negative 1/2. And then put plus c on the end. And see, now all I got to do is clean it up. This is going to be what? 5x to the third minus, plus 3x negative 2. Okay, so that's that. Now I've got 1, 6. That still is my point. If I plug that into my indefinite equation, I can find out what c is. So all I got to do is clean this up, and I find out the c is negative 2. And then I can go ahead and write my final answer. And that's all there is to it. All right, I hope that helped. Thanks for watching.